Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for the lighting, and I'm so sorry for that thing right there and right here. That's how my phone is set up and stuff like that. And the sun is going down. It's 4 o'clock and this video is very late. But today we're gonna be doing my apartment tour, and this is the only reason why I'm only doing this apartment tour is because soon I have to start moving out in May, and it's March, so we only have April and a little bit of May. So I just want to get this video over with, and then I'm home by myself. So none of my roommates are here because it's spring break, and today is number 4 of my spring break. I didn't do a video for number 3. I apologize about that, but today we're gonna go through the house. Let's go. I'm not playing fair. I'm not playing fair with my love no more. Okay, so I live in Spring Place, so this is where the Aggies live. You know, Aggies you share with the other school, the other university, UNCG, and you share with other people that just live here. So, I mean, the way how the house is set up is like you do your process, and you don't know where's your room at until you come here, and they'll tell you where your house is at and stuff like that. I mean, when I came here, I was low-key so excited, and I'm sorry if the lights start to change because I use the sun, so if it starts to change and get darker, I apologize since I did this video so late. But when I moved here, I was so excited because we have a pool. It's so pretty here and I like it. I live actually in front of the pool, and I live in a townhouse, so that means I have, well, with all the rooms, you get 4 roommates, and you get a townhouse or you get a flat. A flat is when everybody live in the same floor, and on a townhouse it's 2 roommates at the bottom and the stairs, and then 2 roommates at the top. We're gonna like see and stuff like that. But I mean, I love this townhouse, and low-key we really don't want to move out, and it's me, Sharon, and Nadia as roommates, and we have one more roommate, but we're trying to get rid of her, to be honest with you, and the sun is so annoying me. But we're trying to get rid of her because she's just too much drama in this house. And Sharon and Nadia is planning to be roommates next semester, and we're trying to keep this. So if you go through the school, you pay back tuition, and if you go by Spring Place, I think you pay $400 something. So yeah, but I'm going to show you like how the room look and how the living room look and the kitchen look. I apologize of the mess because I didn't have time to actually clean up the place. Definitely my room, I didn't have time to clean up my room, and the living room and all the kitchen. So if you see something that you don't want to see, I apologize. But without all that said, we're gonna get a tour. So this is the view of my outside. This is how it looks from outside. The tree is in the way, but it's so pretty through the day. And then when you come in the house, this is when you come in, and you have the living room, and then you have the little kitchen table and the 2 chairs. So you get like a little storage room right here, but we have boxes and stuff like that, and like you can use that for anything, like your coats or whatever. Okay, so over here we used to have a TV, but since we this spring semester, so she brought her TV back in her room, but she put the printer down and stuff like that. And before you move here, please make sure you get your own router, because we had to get a router and the place do not come with Wi-Fi. I just want to tell you. So this is the little cabinet, and this is ours. These are the little couches, and the couches are really really soft. This is the kitchen table, and this is our kitchen. It's cute, and this is room A. This is where the girl lives that we're trying to get out, and this is my room right here. I live downstairs, and then this is the little kitchen. So sorry about the dishes, but that's the refrigerator, that's the oven, Lord. And then this is our little snack drawer with all this other stuff in here, and I apologize with the bags. This is the laundry room right here next to the pantry room. It comes with a washer and a dryer, and this is, I guess, the heater's little thing. So, oh yeah, and this is the little power. How I'm gonna show you my room, all the rooms are like this, so except the ones upstairs closets are big. So this right here is my little bed, and that's my little Pizza Hut I just ordered. I was just sitting there with the light. I was watching YouTube, and I had put little pictures up, and I'm sorry for the dresser mess, but this is my little dresser. So, you know, I have my little hot sauce. And I mean, this, I'm sorry for this mess again, but this is another dresser. The dresser never came like this. The dresser actually comes like at the bottom of your bed, but I put it over here. And this, like this little refrigerator, do not come with the room. I just brought it for my protection because I didn't know the girls. Hi. So this is the little sink. I'm sorry for the mess again because I just finished my hair. So you get a sink cabinet down here, you get a toilet, and y'all, this toilet was not working when I came here. So and when y'all have problems with y'all stuff, y'all have to be on it with the front counter. So this is a shower. So this is the closet. I just put my hamper, and these are my suitcases. Let me put on the light. So this is where I put my other stuff and my shoes and other stuff in here. For a townhouse, you get an upstairs, but you also get a patio. I'm trying to go outside for no reason. Woo! So it's cold. So this is the patio. This is where we used to be. Like, it used to be so fun here. So this is the patio. Oh yeah, but you gotta see the view. I don't even think you can see it, cause, well, this is the view since the sun is out and stuff like that. Oh, I mean, you can also put stuff up there, stuff. Yeah. So if you get a townhouse, you have an upstairs, and y'all, these are a lot of stairs. Like, so this is upstairs. We have a little radio up here, and then we have a charger because hang up here now since we don't hang out with the other one. But this is room, I think this is room C. This is room C, and this is room D. So, I mean, it's really nothing up here, but we hang around up here because since we don't hang out with the other girls. So this is the view right here of the townhouse. So yeah, apartments in a townhouse style. I don't have nobody right now that is in a flat because everybody in spring break right now, and I should have did this like when everybody came back, but midterms are next week, so yeah, I gotta start studying with that. So this is a little tour of Spring Place. So make sure you like, you comment, and if you have any questions of the townhouse at Spring Place, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you subscribe, and have a nice day.